Dear student, today we'll talk about chain rule or composite function. Any of them, any name like you want to say. Before we study chain rule, we want to remember some previous rules that we say. If we have function of x or y and we want to get the prime, we say that we want to find dy by dx. We want to say that we want to find f prime of x. We want to say that y prime, say first derivative, any of them. If we have y equal x bar n, so y prime will be n x bar n minus 1. If we have y equal x bar 5, then y prime will be 5x bar 4. We down the bar and subtract 1 from it. That's the first rule. If we have sum of a lot of function like polynomial function, if we have 5y equal 4x bar 5 minus 3x bar 3 minus 4x square minus 4, and we want to find its derivative, it's so easy. We find each function separately its derivative. So y prime will be 20x bar 4 minus 9x bar 2 minus 8x, and the derivative of the constant function will be 0. If we have y equal product of two function u of x multiply v of x, and we want to find y prime, so we will get the derivative of the first multiply the second as it, plus derivative of second multiply the first as it. So u prime multiply v plus v prime multiply u. Again, y equal 4x multiply 3x square minus 4. That's two functions. First, y prime will be, derivative of the first will be 4 multiply second as it, 3x square minus 4, plus derivative of second will be 6x multiply first as it, 4x. If we have quotient, if we want to find the derivative of the quotient, u of x over v of x, then y prime will be derivative of numerator multiply denominator minus derivative of denominator multiply numerator over denominator square. If we have y equal 3x minus 4 over x square, then y prime will be derivative of the numerator 3 multiply denominator as it minus derivative of denominator 2x multiply numerator as it over denominator square. The derivative of trig function, y equal sin x, so y prime will be cosine x. Y equal cosine x, y prime will be negative sin x. Y equal tan x, y prime will be sec square x. All this function, all this rule, we can prove it easily using the definition, the original definition of the slope, that rate of change equal limit h tends to 0 function of x plus h minus function of x over h. And we have also